we've got a nice load of blue gum firewood in the trailer. It's a 10x5 trailer. How do you secure your load? I use the Gorrilla cargo net from Safeguard. Right, let's see this one get fitted. Okay, so this is how they come. Come with an air freshener, little stickies, even do a little packet of drugs, which is just what I need because I am shattered. Right, this cargo net is 3.6, you can see there, 3.6 meters by 2 meters, which should be perfect for my 8x10. As you can see, they come in a great bag. To be honest, once I actually fit them onto the back of the trailer, they never go back in this bag. But yeah, it's nice how they supply them. Very professional. Actually, I think we'll have some of these sweets. Yum, 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 yum. Okay, in the bag comes a few tie downs. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What I bought separately, bought 2 of these. These are the ones I can fix onto the tie down rails and sort of permanently leave them in place. What I'll do, and I'll show you in a minute, is I tie them on here permanently. So these end 2 are always fixed. I have 2 on the side, 2 on that side and 2 on the back. And you never have any hassle then with the net sort of shifting and moving, or with these straps actually undoing. They're fixed in place. Right, and then we'll show you the net. Okay, that's it. Right, I shall grab this net now. Safeguard, a bit disappointed last time. I actually got a free cap as well, but there you go. Time to tighten, everyone's cutting back. So, just for noting, that's the actual model, it's an SXRN-200. Right, let's get this thing thrown over the top of the 10x5 trailer, put some of the straps on, and we'll bring you back when it's almost secured. So that's the sort of general arrangement. Put a couple on at this end, one here, one on the other side, another one down here, and the same on that side, and then 2 on the end, and then we'll sort of tighten it up. But it's looking pretty even. It's looking pretty even as it is now. It mostly just needs to go that way a little bit, but we'll know that once we get the straps on the end. Now, fitting these straps is pretty easy. Okay, so you just have a carabiner that goes into the eyelet on the cargo net. So what I tend to do is just try and keep this as even as possible. So looking down here, cargo net's kind of like that, so I'll do 2, 4, I'll do the 5th hole from the end. Like so. The buckle out to that side. Hook on. Not very easy doing it one-handed. And just tighten it down. Just put a little bit of tension on so you've still got room for manoeuvring. I'll go put the rest of these straps on and then we'll fine-tune it. Okay, we've got straps all around now. So what I tend to do, obviously you've got a loose section of strap there. We just put that, clip it back in here. And then what you can do, you can swing on this and you can get that cargo net really nice and tight. Secure all the loose ends. You don't want them flapping around when you're driving. So give it a pull, tighten it down. That is one nice and neat and tight cargo net. I think it's safe to say that load's going nowhere. And it's strong enough to hold anybody. Turn this thing into a trampoline and the kids will have great fun. That is the Safeguard cargo net for a 10x5 trailer. And that's it, the Safeguard cargo net. Nice and secure. 1,000 kilogram rating to secure your load as good as you're going to get. Check them out, they've got a variety of sizes of nets that'll suit any trailer or any ute.